I'm gonna be running errands today. I need to go to the bank. I need to go buy some groceries, and that's basically it. I'm gonna come home and then I'm gonna go ahead and make some meal preps, and you guys are gonna join me. Alright, so I already wrote down everything that I need today on this little shopping list piece of paper that I got from HomeGoods. I keep feeling like I need to sneeze. Okay, but the most important thing today is getting this grocery shopping list done. I'm gonna be trying to make healthier versions of burritos, but you guys will just see later. So I have made it to Walmart. Oh, let me turn the music down. Okay, so I'm at Walmart and I have a list of things I need to buy, but basically, you know, just doing some grocery shopping. I went to Walmart just because they had more of the things I needed on my list. Alright, now we're at the grocery store. This is kind of weird. I'm doing a voiceover. What the heck? Anyways, look at these baby ass limes. I had to freaking buy these. Anyways, there's some tortillas. I had to get that too. And y'all, I've been obsessed with sweet tea, so of course I had to go through that section. I'm at the bank taking out some money. Wow, I'm rich! So I'm gonna go ahead and bring all my groceries upstairs to my apartment. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, y'all, so I don't even have to do a voiceover, but this is kind of fun. Anyways, look at me. Okay, guys, look at me. I'm taking the groceries out of my car. Running errand gang. Here we go. So I'm making these breakfast burritos. I love breakfast stuff for any time of the day. Basically looks like this picture here, but I'm just gonna be using tortillas, refried beans, some eggs. I'm also gonna use some green salsa, which I'm making myself. I'm gonna be using some cheese. I grabbed cheddar jack from Walmart, which I wish they had better cheese options, but it's whatever. And then just some green cilantro. But yeah, I'm using this Good Housekeeping Easy Meal Prep book. I got this for my birthday from Shar, and in case you guys are wondering, she got this from Barnes & Noble. I've never made this before, but it just looked really good in the book, so I'm really excited to try it. So I've got 3, I don't know how to pronounce it, like tomatillas, I don't know, tomatillas, I don't know. And then I've got some jalapeno. I grabbed 2, and yeah, we're gonna boil those so that it'll soften. I'm probably only gonna boil it for like around 5 to 7 minutes or so, not too long. And then after it boils, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it so that it's really nice and soft. Honestly, I'm just living my best life doing these voiceovers. I kind of want to make an entire video where I just do voiceover and I just do my makeup, so let me know what you guys want me to talk about in that video, because honestly, that sounds so fun. Alright guys, so it is all boiled and whatnot. I left it in for 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna blend it a little bit. Not too crushed yet. Then I'm just gonna throw in some salt, some cilantro. I cut up some onions into smaller pieces like this. I'm just gonna throw these in so that it can chop too. I forgot I have lime. Walmart didn't have any big limes, so I had to settle for these baby ass limes. This practically has no juice in it. Oh my god, that's so sad. Oh, this one has some. Okay, let's try it, guys. That's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and scramble some eggs. Wow! One hand pro. Yep, there was shells in that one. Oh, in conclusion, I can't crack eggs for shit. Salt in your eggs. Hot. Okay guys, so we have our eggs, the refried beans, the cheese, the tortillas, and then I have my sauce. This is how it looks like, and it tastes really good. I just wish it was more spicy, but it's okay. First thing I'm gonna do is add some beans. Then I'm gonna add some eggs, putting in cheese, throw in some sauce. that is that. I'm actually gonna throw it on a pan and kind of fry it a little bit so that the cheese and stuff can melt. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so it is made. It is time to try it. This is schmack. I made that?
My rating. Oh god, I look like I got no pants on. I usually don't like salsa and things, but I think it adds the perfect little hint to it.
I give this a 10 out of 10. You guys should try it. So I went ahead and made a few of these burritos. I made 4 and I just put 1 in each of these containers for my meal prepping thing. Yeah, that is all I'm cooking today because now I am like hella tired. I don't even know if we have space in the fridge for this. Let's see if this iced tea is good. This is just a great value sweet iced tea. I got a basic little sweet tea. I don't know, like I've been really into sweet tea recently, even though I used to hate tea in the past. Like now I like it. Okay, but it's opening this for me. Okay. That's like good and bad at the same time. I'm actually gonna throw this into my water bottle. I'm throwing in some more water. I actually feel like it's too sweet. I don't like that. Review of that drink, it is no bueno. I do like lemon tea and I had some left over. The Bai Super Tea, the Tanzania lemon. So I'm just gonna throw this in here. No, that's immaculate. By the way, got this cup from Target. I just want to give you guys an update. Me and Shar have been living at this apartment for half a year and we have another half a year to go. We have to start thinking about our next move. Another 6 months and we have to get out of this apartment. So me and Shar decided that we're gonna go separate ways for our next place. We're just gonna go and move into our own places and just live more like independent. Shar is literally right there, in case you guys are wondering. I want to get a dog for this next place. Hopefully I get a dog or a cat. I don't even know. It just depends on what's like available at the time. Because I already have all my cat stuff. Yeah, we'll just see. Because I find it really hard to find the perfect cat. And I find it really hard to find the perfect dog. So who even knows? Other than that, y'all, summer is coming. And I'm so excited. But I also just can't wait until summer is over. So we could just leave this apartment. It's not terrible living here. It's just, you know, I just wish that the place was more white. The next place I get is probably gonna be more white. I did not realize when we were like choosing what apartment we wanted to live at that this one would be so dark. I do still plan to spend another year in Minnesota and probably another few more years, and I do want to do more traveling too, so it's okay for me like in terms of a decision that I'm making right now. Like I'm totally fine with staying in Minnesota for a few more years and just doing more traveling than like settling somewhere else. And then yeah, when I'm like mid-20s, maybe I'll move to another state, but for now Minnesota is technically my home base. All right, so like I said, me and Shar are planning to go our separate ways in terms of like living situation for our next place. So I'm gonna get my own apartment. Shar's probably gonna get her own apartment. Really depends on what she decides, but for me, I'm really excited because I want my next place to be completely like all white. Y'all know that's my aesthetic, kind of. I don't know. Now I know what I really want when it comes to an apartment. I want to make sure that it's in a really safe neighborhood. Parking is very convenient, not just for me but for my friends as well. I actually want to get furniture that I really like, so I'm gonna like order whatever I like online a few weeks before I actually move out. That way I can get what I actually want. The only thing I really need to buy is like a couch because I'm probably gonna get a new one, and probably a new TV stand, but other than that, like, I already know I won't have to buy anything for my room, my bathroom, and then I have to get, of course, kitchen stuff. I just need to buy like new pots and pans and new plates and stuff. This is, you know, moving for me, so it's just so fun. I'll probably end up going for some kind of like aesthetic that looks like this, where it's like really white but also a little bit of cream, and of course I'm gonna have plants everywhere. I love the accent of green, and then I'm gonna have my own like little fur baby. And then recently I got a new crystal, and this one is quartz. This crystal is amazing if you want to attract manifestation, clarity. This honestly just helped me mentally a lot recently, unless, you know, I'm just doing the placebo effect thing. But shit, you know, if I feel like it's working, then it's working. I definitely recommend getting crystals if you guys are trying to manifest things, because it's been working. But yeah, I've been charging it in the sun, so it's kind of cold outside. It made my crystal cold. But let me tell y'all, when I say I've been a lot more spiritual these days, I mean I've been more spiritual. I'm just trying to do the best so that I can become the best possible version of me, my higher self type stuff. I'm just trying to figure out my goods and my bads and like come to terms with everything and just become like a better version of me, because I really want to just thrive now. It was after me and Shar got our crystals that we really decided, like, you know, maybe we should go our separate ways and just be more independent individually. So this is like our next move for ourselves and what we think is best for us, and I'm just so excited, and I already know like this is gonna be good for us. And then I'm gonna have a fur baby, so I'm gonna be so happy. But I'm so excited. Like, I've been looking at apartments and I found some that I really like, so let's just hope that by the time I move out that they'll still have at least some places for me in the places that I like. I want my next place to have immaculate lighting. I want it to be all white. I want to have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, because I want a bathroom for myself and a bathroom for like my friends that come over, and then I want a bedroom for me and a separate bedroom that I would use as my closet but also office space. I feel like I'm a person that has a lot of stuff, and that's why I feel like I need an entire room for my closet. My closet now is big, but it's not big enough, crazy enough. If you can do it, then why not? But I'm just so excited, and right now I'm just focusing all of, you know, my priorities on me, bettering me, like getting to the next level of moi. So yeah, that's literally what's been going on. I'm just very grateful and excited. Anyways guys, I'm really cold right now, so that's why I'm like, I'm shivering. But it is 5:28 right now. My boyfriend is coming to visit me on Wednesday next week, so he's gonna be with me for a week, but I don't plan to vlog. I really want to just spend my time with him this time around, but we probably will make one video. I'm just so excited to see him. You guys have been commenting like, where's your boyfriend? But guys, remember, he's from Texas, so I don't get to see him all the time, but we try our best to see each other at least once every 2 months, or like, you know, around there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure it's really short, but you know, y'all came along with me. I did some errands. I kind of gave you guys like an update of my life, what's been going on, where my head is at. Of course, it can always change, so who knows. I mean, that's just part of decision making as an adult. It's like you think of ideas, but you know, it comes to times where you have to figure out like what's gonna be the actual choice. So I've definitely been going through that, like like what should I do? But I think I'm set on this, like staying in Minnesota and getting my own apartment. But who knows, maybe that'll change. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. That being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.